Three. I think we're there. Good morning, everybody. Woo! I hope everyone caught that fucking freaking great job. Oh, damn. I started over. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Wow, what a great morning. Oh, sorry I've been so busy lately, but whatever. Getting there. Let's go live from New York. It's Saturday night. All right, we're live here. Take this survey. Channel. Good morning. Oof, $99. Wow. Damn, just YouTube fall fast. Wait till I come back with a vengeance. All right, that's that. And let's take this down. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. We're at a sell stop. Every sell stop 1 minute to the 5-minute blue line on US30. Sell stop 1 minute NAS. Sell stop US30. Sell stop SPX. Play every 1 minute sell stop you see until you have. By the way, this worked out perfectly. I forgot about that one from yesterday morning. I'll be with you guys, Lord willing, through open. We'll see how that works out. But yeah, every one of these things, just amazing. Look at this. Good morning, Marsh. Good morning, everybody. Who do we have? Looking good. Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Crypto Fox Indy. What's up? Yes, guys. Yes, this is fucking nice. Thumbs up, please, on YouTube. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Georgie. Good morning, Harold. Good morning, Tanny. Good morning, Chris Milne. Good morning, LT. What's up, Cuban Forex? Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Marlon. Good morning, Evan. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Noah. Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, Adam, 1971. Good morning, Ken Rose. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, EA 888888851. Good morning, Kimberly Harrington. Good morning, FX Excellent. And God bless you, FX Excellence. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, Abdul. Good morning, Umaran. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, everybody. What a great morning. I'm assuming all my peeps out there actually caught this trade. I would have to hope so. Let me see if I can find my own trades. These were just played seconds ago. Okay, minutes ago. I was helping these trades right here. I was helping my the top two are still buy stops until I get my take profits in. I keep those open. The bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are sells. And those are 1,000, 1,200, 1,460, 1,800, 2,200, about 23, 2,400, maybe a little bit more. So that's what you're looking at here. These are sell stops to the blue line. They're going to the 5-minute blue line as accurately called out by our, hold on. Let me see if I can get our little scanner. The most amazing scanner in the history of the world next to our other most amazing scanner in the history of the world. Thanks to this scanner right here. Thanks to this scanner calling out the 1 minute sell stops to the blue line. And now we have 1 minute sell stops to the blue line of the 5-minute line. That's why we're in money right now. What time is it? Oh, good. We're past the 42. There you go. And these are our sell stops. This is the scanner that did it. I'll explain how and why and how it's doing it currently. It's just amazing. Just freaking amazing. There's nothing else to be said about it. All my predictions I called for the last 2 days where I haven't been here, you guys don't even need me anymore. I literally made these call outs before market open. I leave, and then the call outs that I make for market open happen for you guys. Maybe I should just do that from now on. I'm not even here at market open. Look at it. There it is. There's your money on the safety trade system. This is the scanner right here. Clearly, you can see the wave. The red wave has come. It went red, 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 red. Actually, it went NAS, SPX, and US30. And then it went NAS, SPX. And now it's US30s trailing to the green line. To the blue line. And there it is. And there's your trades live. So everybody said, well, you can't make money. You don't do trades. Yeah, okay, whatever. You can make all the money you want. You can do all the trades you want. Sell lot sizes are 0.13s, 0.13, 0.03, 0.03, 0.03. All of these, the top I'm sorry, the top 2 were US30. The next 4 were NAS. So that's all. That's why there's a difference in those. And there we go. We'll wait and take every sell stop we can on the way down. Now let's remove this from our equation right now. And let's remove this, although this is fun. Everybody in TikTok land loves when I make my trades and show my trades and all that. They're like attracted to the shiny things. Kind of like a moth, I guess. All right. Oh, shit. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Now, good morning to everybody. I'm just stalling for everyone to get here, and then we'll move on. Let me make this go away for a second. And it's still, these are still sell stops to the 5-minute blue line is what I'm calling. Sell stops on NAS, US30, SPX to the blue line. It's fill in the gap sell stops. If you must, yep, this is going to be a purple coming up right here. You'll see the purple rise up, pink cross it, sell stop, back down, NAS. It's going to rise up more, SPX, form another sell stop. Just wait here for a minute, it'll do it. Same for US30, it's got to rise up. This is the pink. The first time it happened was right here, hence my entry. Look at that shit. Look at this. Pure money, pure gold, whether you use a sniper system or just a basic safety trade system. Remember, 99% of all the other ways to try to trade lose. Less than 1% of retail traders make money. Google it. Meaning the following have a 99% failure rate. Fib retracement, Fibonacci, volume, VWAP, support and resistance, trends, naming of candles. What works? A safety trade. My system was made for beginners. And then there's Phil's story. Google it. And there you go. So how do you know it's going to go up? Because it's going to go up. I can tell you that from experience, or I can tell you the fact that it's go up, crossover. I'll draw you out what it's going to do. Well, preferably what I like it to do. Price starts above. We're told to come down. The bullshit detector will turn green. Price will come up here somewhere, and it will hook back down. You'll see that happen on, what is this, US30? You're going to see this happen on NAS. Yeah, it's happening right now on NAS. And then let me see SPX. And SPX. SPX should arch up further, though. But watch, we'll look at NAS for a moment right now. And the thing I'm trading is right here, the safety trade. That is the thing. And NAS 100 is the thing. 1 minute. What you're looking at now. So let's pay attention and watch. And then I'm going to go ahead and welcome everybody else that came in. Good morning, Builder. Good morning, Abdul. Good morning, PK. Good morning, Azar. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Kimberly Harrington. Tracy Ann Davis. Good morning. Good morning, Kent. NAS 100, 1 minute sell stop for me. Correct, Cameron. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Angela Taylor. Good morning, Tara Gross. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, Kenneth. Good morning, Stephanie. Good morning, Green Mountain. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, D Nice. Mom. Good morning, Mom. Good morning to you. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Let's see. All right, I'm about to make some more calls. Play every 1 minute sell stop that you can down to the 5 minute blue line of 5 minute blue line. Why is that way up there? Can I not control that one? Hold on a second. I can float everything else. Let me see if I can. If I can float this one. Let me see if I can move this to here. Right? Is that all I need? Yes. And then we need this one. Come on. Here. Yeah, see, I knew that was going to do that. Let me bring that back down here. All right, and then let's go ahead and open this up again. Yeah, that's not good either. We'll put these over here. And we'll put this one over here. And now let's see. Not ideal, that little black thing's in my way, but maybe we can move it to here. Yeah, I don't see why we can't. 5 minute, 30 minute. Yeah. Okay, I can live with that. All right. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. All right, guys. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and whip through about 10 so many stocks. I still have my long-term buys in place, by the way. Be clear on that. These are my trades in this one account right here. That's that. No. Sorry, normally I set up my charts without you guys around, but I'm trying to wing this shit. All right, now where were we? No, not there. Okay. All right, so that's NAS. Let me go over here. All right, I'm going to go through gold, Bitcoin, US oil, XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, ERUSD, all those ones, okay? I think that's everybody I say good morning to. All right, now, 1 minute sell stops in place for all three indices. Remember that to the 5-minute blue line. Just remember that. And I believe NAS is printing. Let me see NAS 1 minute. Let me see NAS 5 minute. Oh, it keeps going down and printing money to the 5-minute line. Look at this 1 minute. Whoa, I'm stopping for a second. I wish someone would call in. Somebody doesn't know what the hell they're doing. Red, 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 green, red, red, boom. Look at this. Easiest trade ever. This is 5-minute NAS, 1 minute sell stop. Logo form. This is made for beginners. Let me put this up again so we're all on the same page. This system that I have is literally made for beginners. That's what it's for. That's what it does. It's made for beginners. Why or how? Because look, this is a system. Let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to show you exactly. This blue blob right here that you can't see in front of, that's the future. All you do is wait for this exact setup. Every one of you at home should have this printed out at least 100 times by now. Red, 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 green, red, red against this blue. So if you guys can see everything pointing against this blue, then you go ahead and take. Price starts above. Price is told to come down. The bullshit detector tells us to come back up. It hooks, and then, of course, it comes down to the blue line, I might add, called out by the blue line scanner. But that's all it is. And what does our logo look like? Everyone goes, well, what's our logo? What's our logo? If you just head over to our simple little thing, this is our logo right here. Right there. On the back of the bull, the green up and the red down. Yes, mine is drawn out a little horribly because I'm not an artist. It's not 3D with this beautiful coloring, but it's still a red arrow down. This is a white arrow down. You guys get the gist of it. Okay? So if that's the case, and that's what this looks like, then let's see what the rest of it did. It went down and touched the blue line. I mean, anyone that's having trouble trading or not entering their trades properly, you're not following the rules, or you need to go ahead and watch this thing. You want to see something so freaking cool? There it is. You need to get the sniper. Every time it was doing this, the blue dropped, pink arched up, it went down, pink arched up, it went, this is the true one, went down, pink arched up, this is the real one, see, because it went purple up too. Pink crosses purple, poof, there it goes. And that's the sniper. You don't need the sniper, but if you're having trouble with your entries, you need to learn how to use it because it's just utterly amazing. And that's called a 5-minute, well, actually, it's a 5-minute, 15-minute safety trade. Simple as that. There it is. This is some training yesterday. Let me get rid of that. And there's your Bach. And there's your, hold on. There's your unbroken. But if you go over to the 1 minute, you'll see the 1 minute break in the Bach right here. This is the sniper entries. Yep. I mean, boom, 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 perfect, just perfection all the way down. You could have caught this on the 1 minute. You could have caught this on the 5 minute. You could have caught this whichever one you wanted. And the 2 out of the 3 scanner clearly is showing that it's US30 going down to its, let's see, US30 going down to its blue line. You can see SPX hit its blue line, right? And ricocheted, came down. You can see NAS came down, hit its blue line. And watch US30 doing the ricochet. See, this is what it does on the 1 minute too. It comes down, hits it, pops back up again, poof. So this right here with the broken Bach right here would be a 15-minute. Yep, the 15-minute is red. You can see our logo again right there. That is it. Starts above, is just shrunk down. If you want me to shrink it, I will. This is our logo again, just like that. And there it is. Price starts above, told to come down, break in the Bach on the 5 minute right there. And this is just bigger again. So if you want to see our logo this way, watch. This is the logo right there. Starts up. Same thing. I can draw this logo over and over again on all of them. Price starts above, told to come down with a red arrow. Arched back up, broke the Bach. This is the best trade ever. You enter in right off of here, down to the blue line. They gave us a free. This is the third one to do it, so this is why it's free. They gave us, I think I made 50. Yeah, it was 51 pips. I made 51, 53 pips. And that's what I did. And that's what I'm in. And there it is. Easiest money on earth. So for those of you who are having troubles, I highly suggest and strongly suggest you just wait for the logo to form on a higher time frame and then take the trade. And that's what you do. And it's going to reload. It's going to come back up. It's going to do it again. So that US30 sell stop I just told you to take a minute ago produced probably 20 pips. The NAS one also made you money. And the SPX one just made you money. It's just what they do. Now these two are going to reload. You'll see pink and purple come back up again. It'll do it again. Let me see what it's doing on the 5 minute. Yeah, it's too far away. Now it's got to arch up. The pink, see the blue had dropped. Now we need the pink to arch back up again, come back up on the 5 minute. When it does, we'll look to our 1 minute for our entry and just do a 1 minute sell stop. That's all it does. It repeats itself. I was training my brother last night. And when I was training him, it was a trade that we had in our training video from 2 weeks ago. And it was happening again live with him last night as we were talking. I laughed so hard. I go, see, Mike, they only have so many things. They can only go up, and we know they're going to go up. They can only go down. The powers that be, and if you want me to list them, I will. And they can only go down, and we know what happens when they go down. So all my system does is recognize their pattern before they do it. Now, if there's consolidation, that's just moving over to one red line, like on a 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. That's all that is, consolidation. It's not real. And that's what it does. Oh, someone says when it's in a thing, Mark, get out of here. It works every time, all the time, anything at all. It's period. I think a lot of you like to overtrade. I think a lot of you are taking the wrong trades. You're not waiting for the setups. I think there's a lot of issues you guys are having. So you got to get better with that. All right, we have 30 minutes to market open. Does anybody have any questions over how easy it is to trade? You can email me in your questions if you like. Feel free. Whatever you like to do, let me know. Kent just closed 5.5 this morning, US30 to blue line. Awesome, Kent. Congratulations. Cuban Forex, get the system money, get out of the matrix. Amen, Cuban Forex. Thank you for speaking up. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Kim the Candle Lady, Kendall Envy. God bless you, Shash. Good morning, Shash. Good morning, Dr. McCain. Good morning, Strictly Pacoda. Good morning, JFGA. Good morning from Denver. There you go. Can we use your system with futures trading? Yeah. Yes. Can you use the system, Abdul asked. Let's go ahead and see something here. I'm going to go ahead and do something. I don't normally post what my Discord does, but let me show you something here. Let me show you what really happens. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. My poor little computer is still hanging in there. Da 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 da. Good morning, Precious. Good morning, precious. What's new? Super fans. All right, here we go. Safe trade system. Not what I want. Let's go to the recaps. I think he posted this in the recaps. Does it work on futures? Winning trades 91%, break even trades 8%, no losses. PTO made, I forgot how much, 10,000 on futures this morning using TraderVite, and that was $10,000. But wait, it gets better. Here's somebody using it just regularly this morning, one of our members. Look at this. What did he make? He made 12,000. I think it was 14,000. Hold on a second. Boom, $14,000. NAS to the blue line. Da 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 da. There's his NAS, 1 lot, 8 lot. That's him. That's just normal Forex trading. But wait, there's more. Everybody does it all the time. You want me to keep looking through these things? Really? Look at that. Who would like to have a 91.67% win percentage, which is an 8.3 break even with no losing trades, making $10,000 this morning? La da 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 da. Jose, 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 Jose. And look at the trade. Sell stop. Couldn't miss it. Unless you're, even if you're a blind man, you have to be colorblind. Even my brother's colorblind can still see it. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line. Da 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 da. Oh, but he has to have losing trades. Well, no, he doesn't, and no, he didn't. 91% winning, 8% break even, 0 red. Da 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 da. $10,000. So it's not just me up thousands of dollars on this trades from this morning, but my students, my members, are doing better than me. They're making $10,000 and $14,000 and $16,000. Da 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 da. You don't have stop loss on these trades. I don't need them. We're okay. I know how to trade. But your take profits are really stop loss. Yeah, I know. I move my profits, stop loss, and take profits, so I have a risk-free trade going. Da 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 da. People crack me up. They're always trying to correct you. Well, let me give you a hint. I created this system. Good luck on correcting me on it. Jesus. Okay, so there you go. Does it work? Yeah, it does. Futures, does it work on the stock market? Yes, it does. It works on 200 billion. Does it work on Forex? Yes. Does it work on the future? Yes. Does it work on everything? Yes. As long as you can chart on MetaTrader 4, bam, it works. By the way, you made money on that tiny movement on US30. It's not much. If you wanted to take that, you'd be up about 8 pips, which professional traders only make 10. Da, 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 da. Now I have to really get through all these now. Da, 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 da. And how do you not get stopped out? Just asking to learn. You put your stop loss where you're supposed to put it, which is above the pivot point. I'm not going to teach you that because too many scammers out there. We have rules. I went and looked at where you entered those NAS trades. I'm not questioning you. You're just curious why you did enter those there. Travis asked. Yesterday's trades, let's take a look. Da 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 da. Let's take a look. See, it's in a book. It's in a book. Those NAS trades yesterday. I don't have a trade in NAS from yesterday. Which trades do you mean? You mean the NAS from this morning? Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, you mean these ones? I considered that this morning. Yeah, you're considering that yesterday. My bad. I'm sorry. Let's take a look. See, it's in a book. It's in a book. 1940. And Travis, just to give you peace of mind, I trade live with you every day. So, you know, there is that there. Let's take a look. Let's mark out our little trades and see where the entry was. It's in a book. It's in a book. Oh, hold on. I got to unlink shit. By the way, Travis is questioning if the system works, everybody. Would anyone else like to speak up for Travis? Anyone at all? Good morning, Brian. Good morning, JFG. Good morning, Dinos. Good morning, McCain. Morning, Orlando. Good morning, Travis. Good morning, FS. Excellent. Kimberly said, Travis, Kimberly, tell Travis how much money you make on a daily basis. And if you quit your job and retired. Well, let's go ahead and take a look. He wants to know. So let's go over to NAS 1940 on 7/31. And depending on how you look at your day, 1940 could be the same day, could be the next day. It depends on how you look at it. Gee, I don't know. This, what do you mean? Why did I enter this fucking Travis? I don't know what to tell you. This is NAS. This is NAS 1 minute. This is NAS 1940 right here. Everybody, well, anyone that has a sniper system, why did I enter this trade right here? Why did everybody that has a sniper system, speak up now. Why did I enter this trade, everyone? I'm pointing to the answer. Why did I enter this trade, everyone? Go ahead. Tell them why. Go ahead. I don't want to say it. It's so obvious this is a joke. Go ahead. Tell Travis why I entered this trade at 1940 or 1940, whenever they clicked in. 1938, 1937, this time. Why did I take this trade? Da, 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 da. No, I want people to speak up. Tell everybody what this is. If you don't have the sniper system, I'll explain it to you. This is a Bach break against a 5 minute broken. Thank you, Ryan. Ryan gets an A+ this morning. Orlando Waters, the Bach break. FX Excellent, the Bach break. Correct. Botnator, the Bach break. There it goes. Dessinger says, I watch every day. But why did I take this trade at what times were these? Let's take a look. Not questioning the system. Yeah, he is questioning the fucking system. And yeah, he is doubting my trades. Well, gee, I don't know. Do I practice what I preach with you people every day? Let's take a look. Sell, NAS. Gee, I don't know. What time was it? 1940, 1940, 1940, 1940, 1940. Gee, I don't know. What did I do with those trades? I opened up a sell. Actually, I dropped in a few regulars and I opened up some sell stops. And there it is. There it is. 7/31, 1939. I'm sorry. Let me move it over one to show you where the Bach break would have been at 1940. There. Get with it, for the love of God. You can doubt me all you want, but go back and actually quit being lazy and actually watch my previous YouTube, 650 of them, and see if I don't make live trades with you every day or teach you this shit every effing day, and then question that. Matter of fact, I might just take them out. Let's take them out. I'm not doing this. See ya. But that's why I took the trade. It's called rules in the system, by the way. It's reloading. I told you I had to go up. Da, 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 da. And I really have to get going. I have to go make a whole bunch of other things. Da, 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 da. Now, we're going to go ahead and give Mr. Travis here a little fun things there. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. See ya, bro. Wow. People out of their minds. How don't you get tapped out? Because we have rules. How do you get in? Because we have rules. Who created the rules? I did. Get the F out of here. People are just whatever. I'm done. All right. Sell stop 1 minute, but I'm not going into that. I got to get through these other call outs. We're going to go through gold first. Broken Bach. Correct, Larry. Thank you for speaking up, Larry. Thank you for speaking up, Botnator. Thank you for speaking up, Larry. Thank you for speaking up, Stog. He can get out of here because it works. Thank you, Stephanie. I agree. Travis gets school day. Yeah, you want me to label it that? I should label it that. Get out of here. Fucking doubting people. You can doubt all you want, but to say you're not questioning what I just did and to question my entries is beyond anything I've ever heard. I'm not here to impress any of you. Thank you for speaking up, Rubel. Thank you for speaking up, Ken. Thank you for speaking up, Kent. Blessed morning, Orlando. I'm glad you figured that out, Ken. Thank you for speaking up, Byron and Candle Envy and Cameron. Thank you for speaking up, Kent. Thank you for speaking up, Annie. Thank you for speaking up, Ken Rose. $500 to $100 a day. I'm a conservative trader. Correct. That's what. Thank you for speaking up, Kimberly, and telling them. D-Nice, it works. And we'll leave you on. Correct. Red, 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 green. It is the broken Bach, though, is the correct answer on that one. Yep. System is amazing. Good system. Yep. Nope. He's in timeout. He's gone. And broken Bach. All right. All right, guys. Now, enough of that. Gold. 1 minute. Where are we going with gold? 1 minute. These are obviously sells. 15 minute. Look at that thing of beauty. Was this a 5 minute broken Bach? No, normal safety trade was at a 1 minute. Hold on, let me grab this. This is gold. Gold 1 minute. No. The Bach broke here, but I don't know. I'd have to go back and see that side by side. I hate when I can't look at my charts the way I want to. There's nothing at this. You're too late. 5 minute, 15 minute to the 30 minute to the 1 hour to the 1 hour to the 4 hour. Look for any 1 minute sell stop to the 4 hour blue line of gold. Gold. Then it's a 4 hour daily buy stop gold. Da 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 da. Da. Da 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 da. Weekly, nothing. All right, so that's gold. You're kind of a little late on the run here on gold. US oil and UK oil run hand to hand. 1 minute sell stop to the, where is it? Where is it? Oh, wow. Hold on. Play any 1 minute sell stops in US oil to the 5 minute blue line. Play any 1 minute sell stops to the 5 minute blue line. Then it is a 15, 30 minute. I think it might get a little deeper than this. Wait for the 30 minute Bach break and do a 30 minute 1 hour buy stop on US oil and UK oil. What is XRP doing? Oh, XRP, you have to listen to me. Why do you have to listen to me? XRP, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. XRP, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. XRP, 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. Maybe. I hesitate there. It's not likely. No. Da da da. Look at that. It went down and touched it, as I told you it would. The 30 minute blue line. Now it has to go down and touch the 1 hour blue line. Ugh, really? XRP, you're the little engine that could. That's just annoying me. I own XRP. My average buy-in is 40 cents. I've been recommending it since 31 cents. I only have $2,600. It doubled to 5,200 on that day. It jumped up because we were in it already and calling it. But at any rate, 1 minute buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. 1 minute buy stop XRP to the 5 minute blue line. And then you get a 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the 30 minute blue line, then the 1 hour blue line. Then XRP turns into it's going to come down and touch. It's all it's doing. Let me tell you what it's doing. It's creating a 4 hour daily buy stop. And this is all XRP is doing. Started underneath, told to come up. It's going to come, hook back down somewhere between these two lines and hook and come back up again. This will drop down, probably turn red, maybe not, maybe just stay a fill in the gap. Probably looks pretty strong on that fill in the gap. And that's what it's going to do. So as it goes down, you can make money. As it goes up, you can make money. If you don't like playing the 1 minute, 5 minutes, then wait for the 4 hour buy stop to occur. Play it off the 4 hour, but it's going to come down and touch this yellow line, or I hope hook right between it. And then we'll see another push up on it. But that's what it's going to do. Drawing it out, telling you out. I don't know, whatever. But you're right, Travis. You're right, Travis. You're right. Yeah, why did I take that trade? Implying that I took the trade out of the blue. I tell you what the trades are. Either I'm doing them live with you, or I tell you what to do, and I do what I tell you what to do. God almighty. Da, 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 da. All right. So that was gold. That was oil, UK, and XRP. This is now Ethereum. Ethereum is the same as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the same as Ethereum. Bitcoin moves, Ethereum follows. 1 minute buy stops. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Da 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 da. Just moving over to touch which line? 5 minute? Which one broke? 5 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. Then it will turn into a, depending on how you look at it, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop Ethereum. And then you will, oh, look, it already went down. I would play the 1 minute sell stop, so the 4 hour blue line. Then I would look for a daily buy stop Ethereum. And then I would look for da 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 da. Monthly buy, weekly sell. And that's Ethereum. Now we're on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 1 minute. Da 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Bitcoin, 1 minute buy. 5 minute, 15 minute sell, 15 minute, 30 minute sell. I'm looking at more likely a 15 minute, 30 minute sell, but whatever. 1 hour, nothing. 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the blue line, 4 hour blue line. Daily da 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 da. Daily buy, weekly sell, and monthly buy. That is Bitcoin. And USD CHF is the complete opposite of ERUSD. There's a sell forming. So if there's an ERUSD just opposite, especially on higher time frames, that is my hint to you. Every day I've said this for the last year and a half. If you want to make the easiest safety trades in the history of the world, wait for a sell stop to form on one USD chef, wait for a buy stop to form on ERUSD, and take the opposite trades. They will work out 99.999% of the time. I'm only giving a 0.1% error possibility because of God. Other than that, it will work. And there you go. And that's a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. So if, let's say we go to the 1 hour and I see a sell to the blue line on ERUSD. There's a buy right here, fill in the gap. It's just what they do. So if you guys really wanted to make safe trades, which you guys won't even listen to me on the 1 minute fill in the gaps or the 1 minute Brock bakes or whatever, you'd literally see that I would just play USD chef whenever it forms a buy stop on one, go over to the other one and look for the opposite, ERUSD sell stop. There it is. To the blue line once, to the blue line twice. You could have made money on the hourly. That's all. Well, how much? I don't know. Depends on how much you put in there, but about 123 pips. And you could also play the buy on USD at the same time, which would have been entered here, and you'd be up another 146 pips. This is how I would play them. I used to do this all the time. We were traveling to Florida, and Bree was cashing out like $30, $30, $90, $100 years and years ago. Anyway, USD, complete opposite of ERUSD. Let's take a closer look at ERUSD. ERUSD, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. ERUSD forming a 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop. ERUSD, 30 minute, already hit the 1 hour. 1 minute sell stops ERUSD to the 4 hour blue line. Let me see something in USD to verify what I just said. Yeah, and there it goes up. It's the exact same thing, just opposite. You guys crack me up. Oh, it's so hard to trade and I'm losing and I have to go to work and I can't get out of my job and I can't. Yes, you can. Trade the opposites. ERUSD, USD 1 hour. Wait for one form to form a buy stop. Wait for the other to show the sell stop. Enter in your trade. You'll win every time. You can't lose. But whatever. Don't listen. Don't care. It already went up to the blue line again. Weekly. It's a weekly, monthly sell stop to the monthly blue line. It is gorgeous too. That is gorgeous right there. It's going to go below. Whatever, if you guys like ERUSD, just trust me. It's going to be going below 0.93758. I have no idea if that's good or bad, but that's where it's going to. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. GBB, JPY, 1 minute. 1 minute. Already hit it. 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5, 1 minute. I'm going to do 1 minute buy stops. Oh, hell no, I'm not. Oh, whoa. I didn't see where that was. Hold on a second. I was assuming something. I'm still going to do it. Let it form a 1 minute buy stop. Take the 1 minute buy stop in GBB, JPY. Then it will form a 5 minute sell stop. And then it will form a, is this a broken right here? Red, green, red. 15 minute buy stop. 15 minute buy stop. Da, 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 da. Nothing. It's already done its monthly. I don't give a care about that. I called that out for 6 months straight. SPX 500. Da, 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 da. 1 minute. SPX, NAS, US30. 1 minute buy stops all three indices to their blue lines. 1 minute buys. Yeah, I told you what it's going to do. I told you what it's going to do. I drew it out what it's going to do. It's going to arch up on the 5 minute, just like it did here. And that's what it's going to do right there. That's what it's doing. Geez, that's a surprise. We didn't know that. Yeah, you did if you had the system. You kind of knew that. Very easy. So that's SPX. 1 minute buy stops forming a 5 minute sell stop. NAS, 1 minute buy stops forming a 5 minute sell stop to the blue line. US30, 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to write it out for you guys. Da 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 da. Let me see. Orange looks like an odd color. 1 minute buy stops, 5 minute sell stops, 2 blue lines. So if you're in the 1 minute, stay in them. Da 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 da. SPX US30. All right. Now I drew out what's going to happen. It's happening. I'm writing out what's going to happen. Lord willing, it'll happen. I give God all the credit. There it is. La di da 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 da. Let's see if those buy stops are working out. Yeah, there you go. That's just it. It's going to climb up, form our logo, hook back down. If it keeps climbing up, I'm in long-term buys anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. I'm okay with that. You guys might not like it. I don't know, but I'm okay with the buys. Yes, I am. Travis emailed. He's a member of ours. I think he asked, does it work? And then he said, I know it does or something. That's what Mom said. Fine. Can you unblock him? No. Well, he's got to learn how to ask questions. Let me just tell you that. I'm not dealing with people like that. I don't know how to even do it. You're out of luck, bro. So buy the system yesterday. I hit 21 out of 21 trades. Too much trading. Too silly Siberians, Doc. But excellent job. And Kevin is helping free money today. Kevin Bree, I hope you're both are doing well today. Absolutely. 5 minute buy, sell stop. That's the blue line. Correct. Great read. Fantastic read on that. Two silly Siberians. Fantastic read on that botnator. Thanks for calling that. And I think we're good. Hi, Kev. Driving through Iowa right now, listening. Hope everything's doing great. What's up, Peter P? What are you doing in Iowa? I thought you're on the ocean. What's up in Iowa? Well, it'd be cooler than here. That'd probably be good. So we might be headed for a 4-hour MA. I could look at that for you. I love ERUSD, Chef, is what I'm working on. Awesome. I would only play FX Excellent. I will only play ERUSD. You to Chef, I wouldn't enter a trade with. I don't like the way it moves. I know you'll still make double the money. If I see a buy stop on ERUSD and a sell stop in you to Chef, FX Excellent, I will only do the buy stop in ERUSD. I won't do the sell stop on you to Chef. 90 of you watching, 64 likes. Nope. I'm going to go ahead and leave YouTube in a matter of 5 minutes. Matter of fact, let me put my timer on. If it's not cleared, if I don't see more than 64 likes, and I'm going to give it like 3 minutes. I'm going to give it 2 minutes. Okay, you got 2 minutes. When you hear this alarm go off, if I don't have more likes, I'm closing down YouTube. I'm going to be strictly on TikTok. And there it is. Less than 2 minutes ticking. I haven't had to say that, but I haven't been on lives in the morning, so I think you guys got out of the habit of giving me thumbs up. So whatever. Good morning, Mark Davies. Good morning, Monique Kruger. 21 out of 21. And he's a doctor, by the way, and it takes some time and effort, and he has to learn this stuff. That's crazy. Da 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 da. 1 minute buy stop on US30. Or you can wait and do the 5 minute sell stops. I don't care. Less than 1% of all retail traders make money. Google it. Meaning the following have a 99% failure rate. Fib, Fibonacci retracement, volume, VWAP, support and resistance, trends, naming of candles, looking to the left, naming of candle patterns. They all lose 99% of the time. What works? thesafetytrade.com works. My system is made for beginners. Phil never traded before. He has a Forex win rate of 94% year to date. He has made over $440,000 year to date. He quit his $140,000 government job. He has a Bentley coming on 8/14. So in other words, I have 100% win rate daily, documented in over 600 videos, 620 or whatever, over 600 videos on YouTube. 100% win rate. But Phil, who's never traded before, has a 94% win rate. The average professional trader has a 63% win rate, 63.6%. It makes 10 pips a day. I kind of would be embarrassed if I made 10 pips a day. I got to be honest with you. YouTube to Safety Trade Philip and listen to his story. And even a better story that you guys should be listening to is Billy's, I think. Because Billy was homeless 6 months ago. He is no longer homeless. Billy has brought himself up by his own abilities to trade. He had to trade after hours. Oh, that's it. Let's see what we have, what we have, what we have. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? What do we have now? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. All right, fine. I'll try to figure out how to ban them. I listen to Billy's story every day in the training video. There you go, JTFSX. Yep. Good morning, Patrick C. Good morning, Jason L. Good morning, Omar. 91 out of 105. There you go. Oh, FX, excellent. Yes, they did pick up really quick, didn't they? Mark Davies, Sabby. Good morning, Sabby. All it doesn't cost you anything. Correct. What's up, Tracy? Smash that like button. Billy rocks the Bach. Yes, he does. Great morning, everyone. Morning, Patrick. Good morning, Dr. Mike, the greatest diabetes helping doctor in the world. He helps more people with their sugar issues than anyone I've ever known in my life, and he does it amazingly. Nice. Mike, tell everybody how I was training Mike yesterday on the buy stops, and it happened to be doing the exact same thing 2 weeks ago as it was doing in the training video from 2 weeks ago, as it was yesterday evening when I was showing him the buy. And it went straight up just like that. What do you know? Da 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 da. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Flyowski. Good morning, Fly to the Sky. Dr. Gray said exact. That's Mike. Yep, that is my brother. Again, everyone ever has anyone with health issues as far as diabetes go, high blood sugar. He can definitely give you some words of wisdom and help with that. He's exceptionally good at that. Oh, 3 minutes to market open. Oh, shit. 3 minutes to market open. Everybody, I don't even know what time it is. Oh, man, am I tired. Everybody, don't play the market open. Number one, lock in your profits if you are going to play the market open. Number two, it isn't made for sissies. Don't play the market if you're not. We're looking at 1 minute buy stops across the board. If you don't want to play the 1 minute buy stops, wait for the sell stops across the board. SPX, NAS, and US30 means across the board. 1 minute buys. Let me see this real quick. Da 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 da. 5 minute sells. 1 minute buys. 5 minute sells. 1 minute buys. And I wouldn't be surprised at all if they jerk something up, one of the three up, and let the other one. So either NAS is going up. Watch this. Let me see. NAS, US. No, that US30 is close enough. Let me see this with the 5 minute. And da da da. Sell, sell, sell. Da 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 da. Oh shit! Hold on. Yo. Hold on. We got to get out of this one. Hold on. Da 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 da. This is US30. Let me pull up. Oh shoot! Hold on. I'm in several long-term buys, but I'm going to see this one out right here. And US30. There it is up to its blue line. We'll wait right there, though. And then we're going to go over here. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Not a financial advisor. This is just for fun. Oh, I don't have my financial advisor line on. Oops, hold on. Remember, when this moves, it's going to move quick. You get in and out quick. Less than a minute remaining. I have all these open because I want to see something here. So I'm going to leave this like this for a moment. One-minute buys on all indices. 5-minute sells on all indices. 1-minute buys on all indices. 5-minute sells on all indices. Market will open in less than 30 seconds, 29 seconds, 28. And you have a touch. You have a touch to the NAS blue line, 1 minute. You can close that trade down now. You have a touch. Congratulations on the buy stop for people. Feel free to do that. Da 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 da. Here we go. We're going to mark that up right there. And we're going to go over to SPX. And let's see, SPX, nope, 1 minute, still a buy. You're in the money on your US30 buy. You're in the money on the NAS buy. You're in the money on the SPX buy. Take your money and run. Let me see US30. US30 is going straight up 1 minute. You're in the money on the US30 buy. You're in the money on the US30 buy. There it is. You're in the money, and you're in the money on the NAS sell. You're in the money on the NAS sell. I'm locking that in. Take profit if you like. On that sell that we just did live, you're up 13 pips. Take the money out and run. If you're in that US30, like I told you, to the blue line, you're there in the blue line. Take the money and run. Look at the US30. You are up 60 pips on US30. Look at it go straight up. There's NAS. You're in the money on the NAS sell right here. Look at NAS go straight down. You're up 10 pips on the NAS. What's SPX doing? Sorry. Da 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 da. Nice. Hasn't engaged or sell stop on the US30, so we're fine. Too much shit on this. I can't keep all that shit up. I'm sorry. I know I'm supposed to say I'm not a financial advisor. SPX doing nothing. Stay out of there. SPX. NAS. NAS sell stop is fire. None of those engaged. All right, let's go back to our big boy. All right, right here. Oopsie. Damn. That is perfection. Let's see, US 35 minute. And let's see NAS right here. NAS is back down to its blue line touch. You can close one down and keep one open on your NAS. Feel free. If you're in that sell stop, feel free. That's all you need to do. Feel free and close it down. Sell NAS. I'm probably going to close down a couple of my NASs here. There's no need for it. I'm going to close down a few. Let me see something right here. Da 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 da. I'm going to keep 2 open. Close 3 down. Da 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 da. All right, there it is. Perfection personified for the. Oh gosh, now this one's annoying. Da da da. Perfection. NAS to the blue line was perfection. Perfect trade. Perfect way to take the trade. Nothing to do with SPX at this point. US30. Let's take a look. See what we're going with that. 1 minute. I told you buy stop to the blue line. That's all you can do. Either you're in this trade or you're not. If you're in the trade, by the way, Oh, it didn't go down to the blue line on this. Well, so don't take the trade. I still have my open order on my sell stop right here. Look, this is what it looks like when the trade doesn't go through. US30 sell. Look right there. I have a US30 open sell. I have to remember to shut that. Sometimes I'm really lazy about that and forget. Look right there. I still have that sell open. It's an unfulfilled order. You just don't have your order fulfilled. That's all. It's no big deal. And if you're in a buy, you just, that US30 buy is long term. I've had that open for a while now. You just stay in the buy. So either or. So it didn't engage. So no foul, no harm. Perfection, actually. And there is your 15-minute buy stop that is engaged. It's actually a 15-minute 30, so you have to go up to the 30. You'd put your buy line in right here, and you'd be up 120 pips on the buy. Let's see what NAS looks like over here. No, still it's a 30-minute, that's why. It's a 30-minute, 1-hour buy, matter of factly. Let's do it. Oh, shit. Hold on. I can't do this one account. Give me a second on this. This is, nope, we want NAS. Hold on a second. Yep. No, that's good enough. Okay. All right, so we're good on NAS now. Yeah, I like that NAS. Perfection. It's technically a 30-minute sniper entry buy stop, 30-minute 1-hour buy stop. You'd enter it off the higher timeline, which means you'd put it somewhere around there, a little above, a little below. And there it is. How are we doing with the rest of those NAS? 1 minute, let me see. Yeah, a little boring now. Started under, came up, formed a little logo. Da 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 da. See, our logo formed again. What is the logo? Remember what I drew out for you guys right here? I said this is going to go up, come back down. This is going to go up, come back down. Did it do it on US30? Nope. Did it do the complete opposite on US30? Yep. Well, how? Because it's a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. That's what I was calling. That's what I wrote out for you guys. There you go. 5 minute sell stop still there. 15-minute buy stop. It's a 15-minute 30 buy, and you're in the money. You always have to go to the clearest one. So the clearest one right here was a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line because the other US30 had already done it. That's why that was. Then the 5 minute sell stop was clearly there to be played. And it still is, by the way, nothing different. The 15-minute was absolutely 100% a sniper entry. Matter of fact, we can go look at this. Let's take a look. It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do anything. See the 4 hour? There it is. See, what looks to be a big movement on the 1 minute charts is nothing compared to what you see on a 4 hour chart. You see the difference? So what looks huge, watch this, that little line right there, that 4 hour line, look at it on the 1 hour or the 1 minute. It looks like this. It's crazy. It's up 142 pips. But when you guys look at it on the 4 hour chart, it's nothing. Wait till you see the daily. It's a blip. So it's so funny. Oh, this is moving crazy. No, it isn't. It's exactly. If you look at the 4 hour blue line on the sniper, it was always high. You can clearly see the pink was low. Let's go over to NAS, for instance. See the difference? the blue line wasn't up and flat. It's down. And the pink is arching against it. It's still going to go up. It's just going to take time. Look at SPX. Same exact thing. Now look at the blue line in US30. It told us completely the blue line was the buy. And there it is. And that's why US30 is going up. And that's why NAS is still forming its little up. That'll be later, probably way later today on the 4 hour. Da 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 da. This is just a thing of perfection right here. Perfection. Look, this is all you ever need to know. Mike, Mom, every family member, Mike Glowinski, Michelle Glowinski, Chris Smith, every one of the people that I love and care about. This is the only trade you need to take. Look at this. This is 1 minute US30. The blue arched up, the pink came against, and it was going to the blue line. That's why I was calling out 1 minute buy stop for US30. 1 minute buy stop for US30. I kept saying it over and over again. There it is. There it is. And this is why. Let me get this out of the way. So price started below. Price came up, formed a logo. Price came back down and challenged. You can't see it with the regular system, but with the sniper system, it's as obviously as the day is long. You wait for the blue to rise up. You wait for the pink to go against it. I would like the purple to actually go against that too and arc up, but it'll do it later. Today it will do that. And that's it. And you're trading to the blue line. Mike, my brother, if you're still here, this is the only trade you ever take. Now let's look at the same trades, same time periods for NAS. It's there, but it's a fucking mess. Price went down. Across the purple, across the purple. That's why you're going to see this up right now. And here it goes. Watch. But there it is. It's just a mess. It's not as clean. It's just not, it's there. It's just not as clean. Watch SPX. Watch SPX now. There it is. Blue went up. Pink went down. And then now you see the arch up. SPX is much clearer. You see that going to the blue line. These are the only trades you guys need to take. If you don't have the sniper system, we have a few seats left, but we're going to have to open up another room. It only holds 150. And we limited you all to 100. And then everybody kept still trying to buy it. So now we're going to have to open up a whole nother 2 rooms. I don't know if Keith's listening. And there it is. That is the trade, Mike. That is the trade. I can't mention the other person's name. That is the trade Chris. That is the trade Mom. That is the trade Michelle Glowinski, Mike Glowinski. Those are the trades. This is the only trade you take. If you don't have access to the sniper room, which I think you all do that I just named, these are the only trades. There's higher time frame ones. I call out 15-minute, 30-minute. But if you guys are trying to trade the 1 minutes, this is it. All you trade is this trade. Blue rises, pink goes against it, going to the blue line. You already have 1 out of the 3, which is US30. Do it. There it is. There she blows. That's the trade. Oh, is there secrets that you teach your family? Nope. Everything I teach you, I teach them. There it is. There it is. This is it in a nutshell. I don't know how else I can explain things to you. Price is under, forming our logo. Price is under, right here. We're told to go up with our green line. We do. We come back, retrace right here. And then it went up, just like that. When you see this, you'll look on the 5 minute, for instance, and see the exact same thing occur. See it? Boom, price came down, price came up, price came up. Oh, but it can flip and come down again. Yeah, but this is the call out right here. Blue line arched up. See your blue line? Boop, pink dropped down. It's reloading, by the way. It's reloading. It's 50 cal for another buy stop. And then it's it. And then it came back down, formed our logo. That's it. And there's your money. See NAS? NAS is there. And NAS is going to inch its way up there. Look, there it goes. But boy, you'd have to get in and out of NAS a few times. I would. It's kind of funny what it did. So see, it's fighting against this 5 minute sell. Let me see the 15-minute real quick. No, NAS is only going up to arch back down again. Let me see if US30 is the same way. NAS is only going up to arch back down again. Now I'm going to have to go up to the 30-minute. 30-minute, 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 1 hour, 4 hour. See, that's a little different. So US30 is just a tad bit on the different side. NAS, though, it's like the 1 minute buy stop has to occur. So it's doing its damnedest to not let it go up too high and not to do it. And then the 5-minute sell stop has to occur to a point. So it's still trying to honor that, but it's got to go up and fulfill this. It just has to. That's why you're in the money, but not great. It's just a mess. Look at it go up though. There it is. It's just a mess. I don't know how else to explain it to you guys. This US30 was not. This US30 was exact. Is exactly what it was supposed to do. Boom, and much, much closer to its blue line than NAS. See where NAS's blue line is way up there. May not reach it. Look at that. SPX may not reach it. It may reach it. I think it will. I think this next push up where you see this pink turn back up and around, you'll see price come down to this yellow line here, and I think you'll see it hook back up and touch it. Maybe. If not, you already made enough money. If you got in somewhere around here, you're up about 8 pips. And that's the differences. So I'm trying to explain your differences of these indices and how they work. All right, let me see some comments. Hell, I don't remember when those pest control guys are coming out. All right, guys, let's see what you guys got. Sorry, responding to a message. All right. That was a little fun. It wasn't too exciting this morning, but it was still fun. Da 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 da. All right, Fly. Good morning, Anthony. Good morning, Anthony Villaboza. Villa. Okay. Good morning, Anthony. Thank you, Dr. Mike. My 12-year-old is a type 1 diabetic. Oh, talk to him, Jason L. Type 1s are a different issue, but I'm sure he can at least give you some advice on it. Dr. Rena, Francella Rena. Oh, good morning. Great morning, Dr. Rena. Sorry. Martar, retracted message. Joe Dixon, red folder, U.S. News at 10. Oh, okay. Whatever. Play it. Don't play it. I don't give a fuck. Lock in your trades. That's all I'd say. That the other video I watch while on the hamster wheel, the family trade video on YouTube. Yep. I see, Coach. God bless is on the Welters. 2,500 up on gold. Nice, Kim. Snipers load up on gold. All right, let's take a look at gold. I knew Kim would like the sniper system. I just knew she would. Sell, stop, sell, stop, sell, stop. Do we have a break? Where's our 5 minute? We must have a Bach break here. No, not on the 5 minute. 15 minute. No. Interesting. Very good calls. You have a normal sell stop once, twice, and then another 1, 2, 3 times on the thing. Look at it go. Perfection. I don't know how much better you can make this. Boom. The purple rose up on this one's perfection. I'm surprised. The purple did rise up on this one. Perfection. And then again, perfection right here on this one. These are the 3. Yep, those are the 3 you should took. Great job, Kim. I can't remember what I called out for gold, though. What did I call? 1 minute sell stops to the 4-hour blue line. Kim, did I call 1 minute sell stops on gold to the 4-hour blue line? I don't remember what I called. Best system ever, says Green Mountains. Thank you, Green Mountain. Yes, type 1 is a whole different ballgame. It is, but I'm sure he can still offer assistance and help to you. Smash that like. Let's go, says JTFX. Yep. I did, Kim. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure I was able to call that one for you. Thought so. Danny says yes. Show you're handsome. What's up, Dr. I can help. Dr. Rego on YouTube. Hold on. Who the hell's on YouTube? Where'd he go? Jason L. Rock the Bach. Dr. Mike's on TikTok right now. Mike, can you go over to YouTube? Show your handsome face. No, Mike, I'm not. Not until we get the office. Getting an office area built out, it's going to take probably about a month before we're all done with that room. Maybe sooner. In and out of NAS 5-minute sell stop. Thank you, Kev. You're welcome. I am so grateful for this. You're welcome, Botnator. Billy rocks the Bach. 2 silly Siberians. Dr. Rego said, yes, that's practicing. Bye, says Dr. Rego. See you, Mike. I can help. All right, Tanny says yes. Thing said yes. All right, so everybody's good. Now, let me go back over to here and see why I'm on this one. Let's see. No. Let me see what Naz is doing. Yeah, see, poor Naz. It's what is that called? Incidental structure, whatever they call that, where it's holy shit, we don't know whether to win or lose. Look at the sell. And then it's the 5-minute sell. So the 1 minute was desperately trying to go up and touch. But see, what happened was, look, pink went up and touched the blue line, kind of shoulder trade. And now it's coming back down again to reload to try to go back up to the blue line. What's SPX doing? Did it not get any higher? Yeah, see, SPX, I told you, it's going to come down, touch. And now it's going to try to reload again. See, the pink's down low, the purple's coming down low. Can it go up? Can it go up? I don't know. I mean, it's like an accidental. Okay, I don't know the word. 5-minute sell stop, though. I do know the word of that. Identity crisis, whatever. And then US30 is doing its own thing. It's reloading. 1 minute buy stop, but I can't call it. You're too far away even from the 1 minute line. This is ridiculous. Yeah, it's you can't play US30 anymore. Either you're in the money or you're not. Da 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 da. Yeah, I don't like US30 anymore. It's nothing to do with it. NAS, maybe. Yeah. NAS could be an ATM for you guys if you played it correctly. Oh, I can open this all back up again. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Well, I guess I can go look elsewhere. Da 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 da. Thank you, God, for Kev for everything. Thank you, Martar. All right. Anybody, Crypto Fox, anybody would like to call in, ask questions? Hey, where's my call in? Gosh, there's so many dang on things. Da, 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 da. All right. Email. Okay. Da, 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 da. I cannot wait till I'm done with everything. I can be on with you guys for hours and hours and hours. Email the Forex Safety Trade. Did I spell that right? Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Yeah, you're not getting that. You're not going to get that 5-minute sell stop. You can't because it's already been broken. The box is now showing a 15-minute buy stop. You should already be in that. So that's the way US30 is going to play out. There's nothing else I can call for you on that. NAS, on the other hand, there is stuff I can call for that. You still have a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. You still have a 5 minute sell stop to the blue line. And yeah, that's what you got for now is SPX. Still have a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. You still have a 5 minute sell stop to the blue line. The problem is it's on its blue line, but it will do it. It's just reloading. Everything's arching up. This is you don't need this. That's a sniper system for you right there. And that's what it looks like without. Easy peasy right here. So if less than 1% of retail traders make money, meaning the following have a 99% failure rate, because we all were trained at the same thing. I learned Fibonacci retracement. I tried for a year and a half, wouldn't work. I was trained with volume and VWAP and support and resistance, never worked. I was trained with candles and naming of candle patterns, never worked. Look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, don't work. So what works right here? You can see it already did it once. Green, 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 red, green, green, sell stop to the blue line. Green, 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 red, green, green, sell stop to the blue line. That's all you need to know. If it never engages, you don't take it. If it does, it does. This is a 5 minute sell stop to the blue line. Now, if you want to look at the faster time frames, I still say 1 minute buy stop to the blue line for SPX. I'm sorry, but I do. And I still say it might go up right now. Matter of fact, it might go up. Are we on the next 5 minute candle? Hold on. Yeah. Let's see what happens right now in SPX. Are we going to see that buy to the blue line on the 1 minute? Or are we going to see that sell? Oh, on the 5 minute yet? We'll see. Anybody have any questions? Email them to me. Anybody want to come on live right now for a few minutes? I'm not going to stay much longer. You can email me that too. I will do my absolute best to be on again this evening. I think I should be able to come on this evening again. Shouldn't be an issue. Man, is that still 30 seconds? Or did I miss something? Man, was that a time warp right there? Damn. All right. Martar, thank God NAS was fun today. You're right. It was FX Excellence. Here comes gold again. Oh, there comes gold. All right. What do we have on gold? But I'm watching this SPX. Come on, little SPX. Give me a little love. Da, 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 da. All right, fine. I'm even boring myself to sleep. Let's go to gold. Yep. Oh, so this is the one Kim called out. She was 100% right on. Gold dipped down just like it showed. And I can show you what that looks like. What she's calling from is a sniper. It's just an add-on. You don't need it. And let's see, because I don't know gold's longer term here, 5 minute. Yeah, I would like it to pull back up again. See how this, now this is where you got to be careful. The purple's arching up. I wouldn't take a sell stop when the purple's arching up. I'm not saying it's going to keep going up. I just wouldn't do it against a 5 minute arch up. The pink is high though, but I would just wait. You should have already been in and out of this trade, what, 2, 3, 4 times? Yeah, look, this is the better ones when they were up against the 5 minute. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. I would just be careful on this one. I'm not saying I wouldn't take it. Again, you went to the well like 4 or 5 times already. The well dries up after so much time. I don't know. Let's keep that. My system is made for beginners. Phil Wacker, who's never traded before, last September bought the system. I have a 100% daily win rate, but no one cares about that. He has a 94% daily win rate. Year-to-date profit is 440,000 euros, by the way, not USD. Quit his $140,000 a year job. Bentley is 814 coming to be delivered. The safety trade Philip, and you can listen to his story live. He'll tell it to you himself. Da 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 da. Oh, come on. I'm trying to listen to my brother's thing. Anybody have any questions? If you can't, if I'm not reading your questions, email them to me, please. I can't even open it, Mike. I'm sorry. I'll do it later. Email me your questions, concerns, comments. If you're having trouble making trades, please rewatch this where I called out the 1 minute to the blue line. And if you're having trouble entries, making your trades and the entries after you have the system, please spend $150 for 2 or 3 months of the, you can buy 1 month and just do the safety trade sniper. You'll see the blue rose up, pink went against it, and it just went up. I don't know how else to describe it. You can see the pink went down again against the purple. You can see it go up again. That's just what it does. I don't know any other answer for you. All right, I am going to not waste any of your times, though. Waiting the blue line on the sniper gold. Yes, good job, Kimberly. Do you trade crypto on the weekend? I do not, Green Mountain. I do not. Well, I own XRP, but I'm just holding it. I don't care what it does. I had $2,600 XRP. It doubled that one day when we called it to go up on the daily, and it rose from 40 cents to 92 cents to 5,200. It's not a lot of money, but I figured, what the fuck? I'll just keep it in there forever. I don't care. I've been calling it since 31 cents, though, a buy. Okay, here's the news. Go ahead and either lock in your profit or take money out. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Boy, poor Naz. Naz is in a conflict. There we go. Watch. There it is. Blue line touch, SPX. It was just waiting for that stupid ass fucking news. Wake to make money. SPX to the blue line touch. Bingo, boppo, bango. You're in the money on the buy stop for Naz too. But I do want to pull something up for you here. Ho, whoa, whoa. Ho, ho, ho. Green giant. Ho, ho, ho. Green giant. Ho, 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 ho. Green giant. Let's take a look-see and see what it looks like. This is why we were waiting on that for SPX. It was too close. I kept saying buy stop to the blue line. It wouldn't have made you a lot. Oh, no, I just lost my thing. But it would have got you about 4 or 5 pips. And for all my beginners out there, that's more than enough money to make what you need to make. You're only supposed to take 1 to 2 to 3 pips profit. There you go. And there it is. And there's the scanner. This scanner will only be sold for people. This is the crossing of the blue line, 2 out of 3 scanner when it crosses the blue line. It'll only be sold for $500 a month. I will not sell for anything less unless you're already in the scanner system. Any of them, you'll get this for free. That's just amazing. Giving it to you guys is yet another gift. So we have a completion of the blue line touch. We have a completion for the blue line touch on US30 and past it. Bingo, boppo, bango. We have a blue line touch twice, 3 times. There it goes again for SPX. And gee, I wonder what's happening here. Not a blue line touch for US30. Okay. Well, you guys do with that knowledge as you will. And SPX. There we go. And there it is. Touched again. Touchdown. Bingo, boppo, bango. Look at it. There it is. There it is. Whoop. There it is. Whoop. There it is. Now, if we could just stay above that for 40 seconds, I'll show you how the scanner works. It'll go from 1 green to 2 green and 1 red. If we can last 30 seconds above, damn it, go above for the love of God. Go above. Da 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 da. See the big news? The news is bullshit. The news is total. CNN, NBC, PPP, PBS, FTMOC, FOMC, CPI, NBC, QPP, QPR. All the news is lies. It's all bullshit. None of it matters. It won't stay above it. Fine. Look at that shit. 1 second left and it wouldn't stay above it. Screw you. I'm taking my scanner away. Da 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 da. We hit the blue line once. We hit the blue line twice, and it's been up to the blue line 3 times. Da 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 da. That's SPX. NAS. It's having its crisis. Do I go up to the 1 minute or do I go down to that 5 minute? And look, it's still going down to the 5 minute. It can't help it. It's going to go down and touch that blue line. It's just what it does. It's a magnetic, magical blue line. Did it touch it? Yes, it did actually right here. Did it touch it again? Once. Did it touch it again? Twice. Let me zoom in. Where the hell's my zoom at? Let's see. Zoom. Okay. Now, you guys all trade with it too close. So this is a 1 touch to the 5-minute blue line, twice to the blue line, 3 times the blue line, 4 times the blue line, 5 times the blue line. Then it came close 6 and 7. Now, has it gone up and done its 1 minute yet? No. So that's why I keep saying 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. I'm going to keep holding that. Da 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 da. Come on, give it to us. Give it. Oh, SPX did it. Damn, gone it. SPX to the blue line. We're over on our scanner. We're over on the scanner. So now the scanner looks like this. You only have, you have 2 red, 1 green over. Oh, God. It didn't close yet. Hold on. I'm waiting 18 seconds here. Yes, NAS is going up. I see that. I see NAS is going up. Give me just 13 seconds. Please stay above. Please stay above. Please stay above. 5 seconds. It's going to go below again. Are you kidding me? Come on. Come to Papa. Come on. Oh, damn. Fine. I'm going over to NAS. Hold on. Let me move this all the way. Remind me to go back there in 46 seconds. NAS. What's NAS doing? To the blue line, baby. Woo! I just explained why I kept insisting it go to the 1 minute. I told you it hit the 5 minute 5 different times or came close. I said you had to wait for the 1 minute to go up to this blue line. Is it going to touch? I don't know. Did you just make money? Yes, absolutely. You would have made money. 22 pips to be exact. Am I in a long-term trade? Yes, I am. To the blue line, baby. That's how you trade. That's how you trade. That's how you trade. And yes, I don't give a shit what this thing is showing. This is still 2 out of the 3 to the blue line on NAS. I'm sorry, US30 and SPX. NAS is the only one that's not there. Hold on. Da 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 da. Oh my gosh. It did it again? It won't close above that blue line if I give it $1 million. Son of a bitch. Fine. God, but it's hit it. It's hit the blue line on SPX once, at least 2 or 3 times. So now let it do what it wants to do. If it wants to go down and touch the 5 minute, do what you want. US30, there's nothing to do. It's reloading. It's going to take forever. Let's see gold real quick. Yeah, I told you gold was going to go up. Told you. You got to look at gold on the 5 minute and verify what it's doing. Now, that is a 1 minute, 5 minute. I would play off the 5 minute sell stop line right there. That's how I'd look at it. You have a Bach break. Oh, this is gorgeous. A sniper. You should have entered in. Kim and everybody, you guys should have entered in off this red line right here. You should have already been in the money on this sell stop on gold. I don't know what that would have yielded you, but that's the way you play this. Look, the Bach broke back here. You guys should have then went up to the 5 minute line and said, hey, where's my sell stop entry? It'd be off the red line right there, or the yellow, but I would have used the red. And then there it is. That's your sell stop line. That's how I would have read gold. Now, whether it goes back up or not, that's irrelevant. You would have made your money and been out of the trade. Yep. True story. And let me see. Can we get SPX finally? No. I wonder if NAS will hit it before SPX. I don't think so. We'll wait. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. It's another buy stop to the blue line, SPX. Another buy stop for NAS. And I have to move over here because I don't see my NAS chart. No, we're not there yet. We're good. Do you trade crypto? No. Any other questions? Any other concerns? Any other comments? Probably going to leave you with the 1 minute buy stops to the blue lines, 5 minute sell stops to the blue lines, and just leave you there. I'm going to head over to YouTube for a quick minute. I was just wanting it. Do we have another 5-minute candle forming soon? Hold on. Yeah. Okay. I'll wait a couple more minutes, then I'll leave. I just want to get this finished out right here. It's annoying me that we're not finished. Da 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 da. Da na 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 na. I don't know what song that is, but it's stuck in my head. All right, guys. After this, I'm gonna have to run around, do a whole bunch of millions of things, and then I'll see you guys tonight. I will be on, Lord willing, later tonight. I will do my best to get on for you guys. Botnator, any questions? Steve, any questions? Looking good, any questions? Jason L, the most greatest creation in the history of the world, the Bach. The Bach has now only been solidified because of how great it is. Green Mountain, any question? Kimberly, any questions? Tanny, Martar, any questions? FX, excellent questions. What's up, Eric? Any questions, Eric? I don't do risks per trade. Green Mountain. What you learned about risk per trade, what you learned about supply and resistance, support and resistance, and supply and VWAP and volume, it's all been lies. So I don't worry about that. You trade what you're comfortable with per your own account. That's all. Okay, it's just fucking around. I don't have time for this shit. And I know what's going to happen as soon as I'm done. But that's all right. What's Naz doing? If Naz goes up before I can get, hold on. It might. All right, I'm going to go ahead and leave TikTok anyway so I can close one down. All right, I'm going over to YouTube. I'm going to watch this over at YouTube. Thank you guys on TikTok. Appreciate y'all being here. Heading over to YouTube, watch the rest of this trade out. Is this TikTok? It is. Bye, everybody on TikTok. God bless y'all. See you later this evening. See ya. All right. Only on YouTube now. YouTube. Da, 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 da. The scanner is amazing. I need this. This JTFX. Okay, great. Thanks. Love the Zoom call yesterday we had. Awesome, Green Mountain. No questions this time, but thank you. Eric, if you're still here, Eric, I want you to go back and I want you to look at this video. And I should include you with my family name there. Sorry about that, Eric. I want you to only trade this US30 video every time you see it. Let me get this shit out of the way. Da, 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 da. There we go. I only want you to trade this trade right here, Eric and Mike and Chris and Michelle and Mike and John and everyone else in my family. This trade right here where the blue went up, going towards this blue line with the pink arch down, fill in the gap. This is the Bach break on a 5-minute watch. See? So there you go, 15-minute. Okay, so fine. It was just 30 and 15-minute. 30 was the more accurate. But I don't care. I want you to enter off the 1 minute. Do this. Blue up, pink down, enter in, go into the blue line. That's the trade you take. And you can see the US30 pink and purple line are reloading. They're reloading the 30 cal to do another buy stop here in a little bit. Da, 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 da. You can see NAS is arching back down to do its. Let me see SPX real quick. And there's a buy stop forming here. Okay, I'm going to wait. I swear to goodness. Da, 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 da. All right. Where are we at? Boom, says Green Mountain. Okay, I'm here. Taryn followed the host. Okay. Anybody on YouTube have any other questions, concerns, or comments? All of you should trade that trade. All of you should be looking for that. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get that hit. I think the 5 minutes going to kick in. Fuck. 1 minute buy stop US30 though. I can at least leave you with that one. All right. Where are we at? I'm here. Okay. Yep. So that's US30. That's it. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go on YouTube if I can find my thing to get out of here with. All right. There I am. Y'all have a great, great, great rest of your day. Lord willing, we'll meet again this evening. We'll have some more fun. Orlando Walters says, Kev. What's up, Orlando Walters? Do you have a questions? Can you please show a vertical line for the sniper entry and an exit vertical line? And where would you put your entry? Says Kim away. Oh, Candle Entity, Kim. 5 minute NAS. Yeah. So that 5 minute NAS, it just had to do it. It's weird. I know you guys all think what, but it's just weird. Patrick, thanks for everything. You're welcome. Oh my God, SPX. Let's take a look. See. And let's go to the 5 minute chart. And there it is. There's your 5 minute sell stop. There's the cross. There it is to the blue line. I don't know how else to describe it. NAS will be following. Yeah. NAS went down to its blue line perfectly. US30, there's no chance in the hell of that happening anytime soon. So it's not going to do it. All right. So where would I put my entry? Can you please show a vertical line for the sniper entry and exit vertical line? On which pair, Candle Envy, Kim? Kim, which pair did you want me to do that on? US30? I can't tell you exactly because too many scammers. Your entry would have been when the pink line came down. You would have put it above that little mess that you had right here is where I did put it. I entered the trade with you, did I not? I know I did with the US30 and NAS this morning. You just put it there. And if you don't want to play it off the 1 minute, which I would absolutely, you could have looked at the 15-minute, 30-minute break right here and played it off the 30-minute, and that is clear where to enter that trade at. 150 pips. You can clearly see it. I like the 1 minute entries if you're going to push my hand at the open because of the way they move. But if I was choosing to trade, I always like the 1 hour, 4 hour entries. In this case, it would have been a 15-minute, 30-minute entry. And you can clearly see where it is. I mean, on the 15-minute, 30-minute, you can. There it is, green, 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 blah, blah, blah. It didn't break the Bach, but it did on the 15 minutes. So you have to go up to the higher time frame, put your buy stop right where it says to do in the rules. It tells you where to put it in the rules. So that's why I can't get into any more details because scammers out there trying to steal things. There it is. Bach break right here. Didn't break on the 30-minute. Put your buy stop right above the line or above the yellow, whichever way you want to be conservative with. And you put it there and you get up. Boom, boom. There it goes. Can the 5 minute? There is no more 5 minute. The only play you have for a sell stop is none on US30. I can't call it US30, so I can call 1 minute buy stop though. Oh, SPX. Higher time frames do what they do, and we can't argue. Correct. Higher time frames rule. It's just that those 1 minute ones will rule for the short term. They always give you that little push. SPX. Let's see. So you were asking for, can you show a vertical line for sniper entry and exit line? Well, for the 1 minute or the 5 minute, the 5 minute buy stop is right here. The 1 minute buy stop SPX right here. Blue line came up, pink line arched all the way to the bottom, just like the rules say. You're supposed to put it above the line because that's why this wasn't really a cross. The one that actually counted, but the first time is what I always like, would have been this one when that purple line dropped down because now you have the channel that you're supposed to have between the red and the yellow. You can see the channel. You just have to put it above the mess. I don't know if it. See, you look at this as one whole thing. Let's be clear on this. This is actually, these candles move up and down inside of themselves. So when it came down to the yellow, I put my buy stop down here. When it came down to yellow, I put my buy stop there. When it came down to yellow, I put my buy stop there. When it came down to yellow, I put my buy stop there. When it came down to yellow, I put my buy stop up there. When it came down to yellow, I put my buy stop there. I put my yellow down there. I mean, you have multiple entries on this trade. Either that or just say, oh, I'll put it up here. So you see my point is you're kind of asking something that's It's a living, way of doing something, and you're asking where to put it. Well, I guess if you had to say, well, after it closed, put it here. But I would have rode this down to here and placed it here over and over and over and over and over again because you had all those entries. That's what you had. And then whoop, touched the blue line. I would have got out at least with one, moved the other one to break even right here. As soon as it came back down again, you would have either broke even or lost a little money. But then on the 5 minute, come on now, the 5 minute is as easy as peasy. You can put it across the green line, sell, or there it is. There it goes down. There's your sell. There's that 5 minute sell. We were just waiting for it. That's all. So, hold on. I didn't mean to do that one. Hold on. We need to take this off of there. So on this one right here, watch, NAS going to be the same thing as SPX. Watch. There it is. Sell stop, 5 minute sell stop to the blue line. I don't know how, look, that's how clear I can be. Oh, but did the 1 minute buy stop happen for SPX? I don't know. Let's take a look and see. Buy stop, SPX 1 minute. Yep. Did SPX go up and touch its blue line? Yes. Okay. Did US30 go up and touch its blue line? Yeah, slightly. Did NAS go up and touch its blue line? No, it did not. It's called horseshoes and hand grenades for a reason. It came close enough. You'd have made some money. Now, what was the next thing? 5 minute sell stops to their blue line. 5 minute sell stop to blue line. Did it go down and touch its blue line? Yes, it did. NAS. Did it go down and touch its blue line on SPX? Yes, it did. SPX. Did it go down and touch its blue line on US30? No. Did it go down where you could have made money on the down? Yes. Horseshoes and hand grenades again. That's all. So all 6 predictions, the buy stops and the sell stops to the blue lines, all 6 of those predictions I made would have made you money. All 6 of them. Oh, but well, then don't play the 1 minutes. I don't know. If you don't like trading 1 minute, then trade the 5 minutes. I say it every day. If you don't like trading 5 minutes, wait for 15 minutes. That would have been the US30 today. You'd have made nothing but money, about 150 pips. Oh. All right, guys. You're welcome, Candle Envy. Can't give me kisses or my precious wife will get upset with you. All right. Anybody else have any other questions, concerns, or comments? I'm out the door. Y'all have a great, great morning. Rest of your day, whatever time it is for you guys, and I shall see you all later. Alligators. See y'all. Thank y'all for being here. God bless. That was fun. That was fantastic. Everyone kicked ass. Wow. Still don't know what the other dude was talking about, but nonetheless.